Hey guys, Ray here. Excuse my voice, it's a little raspy. Anyway, so let's jump right into it. Let's find the hole at the top of the lock, and we're going to crochet that in. When you crochet that in, you're only going to pull the person's real hair through the hole and not both the lock and the real hair. You'll see. Just like that. Boom. Then you're going to start unraveling the lock and wrapping it around the client's natural hair, like so. Okay, now we are to the fun part. We're going to start wrapping the lock with spring twist here. There's no special way to do this. I'm not sure of. If you guys have any tips, please let me know in the comments. But I just crochet the hair in at the root and I pull it so that one side is short. I wrap that short side around. Not very tight, just loosely, not really with any type of pattern. And then I take the long side and then I do the same thing. All the way down, I make sure it's past the client's hair. And also another thing about this hair, it does stretch, it does get longer the more that you wrap it. So she wanted some mid-back, so I wrapped it all the way down until I felt like it was, long enough for her, but not too long. And you just take a little piece and you tie a knot around the lock. And that's it. I didn't use any glue, anything at all to secure these locks. With that knot method, with this type of hair and this type of lock, it genuinely is not going to go anywhere. So yeah. I'm so sorry I didn't get more footage. My phone kept saying my memory was full. So this is what I got for you guys. And coming up is the finished look. And I hope you guys like it. Let me know how you guys do your soft locks. I am looking for new techniques all the time. So just let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all have a blessed rest of y'all day.